Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to edit any document. It can be your mark sheet, ID card or any certificate. Okay, so without wasting time, watch the video till the end. Let's start. So to edit any document you will require PicsArt app. I have given PicsArt app download link in description. You can download it from there. Okay, now let's just open this app. After opening PicsArt app you will see this interface. Now simply click on this plus symbol and click on first option, edit a photo. Now just select the document you want to edit. For example, I'm using this photo. Okay, so if you want to change name, just click on tools, click on selection. Okay, so before I add a new name, I need to remove this name. Okay, so what I will do, I will just draw a rectangle which is blank. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this background and paste on the name. Okay, so simply click on copy and paste. Okay, so I got this background. So what I will do, I will just paste this background. Okay, you can see the texture hasn't changed and we have successfully erased his name. Okay, and just click on apply. Okay, now let's add new name. To add name, just click on text and you can write any name. For example, I'm writing Rohit Sharma, and from here you can add text color. I'm selecting black one. Simply click on apply. Like this you can adjust the font size. Okay, so this is how you can erase any words, text, and this is how you can change name, date or any roll number or any marks like this. Okay, or if you want to add any signature or if you want to add any photo in the document, very easy guys, just click on add a photo. So I'm adding the signature. Let me show you how to add signature in any certificate or a photo. Okay, so what you do, just do signature on the blank white paper and take the snap. Okay, after taking snap, now just select that photo and click on add. Okay, this is the photo of signature I want to paste here. Okay, so what I will do, I will keep it like this neatly. I will adjust the size, dragging the arrow like this. Now you can see it's not clearly matched. Okay, swipe left like this and click on blend option. Okay, now just try this presets, screen, multiply. Okay, darken. So it looks perfect. It has clearly merged with the old photo. Okay, now like this you can add any signature and merge with it with the document. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Like this you can change any document in just few seconds. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more photo editing tricks and tutorials.